No, we're not yet.
Cheers, boys.
Oh, it's like that. Yeah. Right, you're going to go line because that's kind of these guys start with you.
No, wait, we're going that way. Oh, no, we are.
Oh, you're going
No, we're all going the same way.
No, we've got a drink, you know, we just start walking.
Me.
Is it those yellow cones on the back?
There's, no, the red one's all the way along.
Squared in.
It's a square. There's a red cone right in that corner. Yeah,
Just follow Jim.
Won't be me. Won't be me. Well, I don't know why I'm the favourite. I'm not
I
going to
think it's
win.
because of the down of the pint to start
Your
with.
fucking vest, look at that.
Right, ready?
Are we actually started?
Yeah, Joe, you got to stop work.
You boys ready, yeah? You boys ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. If struggling.
Oh my god. It's going to be fucking awful.
20 seconds on the clock. Sam's taking an
I'm
early
going to throw
lead.
up.
We haven't even started yet.
This is such an embarrassment.
Mike's done. Off he goes.
Where is it?
Close followed by Sam. Hey mate, come on. Force it, you gotta force it down. You got 3 more to go, mate.
I don't drink Stella.
Force it. You gotta force it down. On your head, remember.
Mate, fuck this.
I've never seen Mike do 400 so slow.
I'm going to lose so badly.
Oh, Gift's on a slow one as well. Nice. 49-second runner.
Stop filming me.
Tom's thrown up. It's gone. Right, cameras off you, Dean.
That was really atrocious.
Oh my god. Going, lads.
Oh man.
Come on, Jim.
That's fucking fine.
Gift's thrown up already.
Really?
Yeah, threw up on the first bed.
Oh, someone cut it.
No, you're
Oh,
right.
fuck me. I will throw up.
How bad is it? Is it actually hurt?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's all that gas.
I just took.
Box, Mike!
I only took him foam there.
Tom, did you throw up?
No,
Oh, it looked like it. Did you see Dean finish his beer?
No,
He just ran off.
probably did.
He's got 3 more to go. He's cheating. First one. I want to see those beers and the heads, boys.
This is fucking ridiculous. None of us drink. Why are we doing this? Apparently you've poured enough already.
No, nearly.
Yeah, straight down.
Go on, Jim. Go on, Jim. Oh, he's knocking it back. Jim's off. Well done, Mike.
Oh man. I hate Stella.
I'll swap a button.
I want to complete it.
What?
Yeah.
Gotta do it.
Keep it going, boys. Keep it going. Let's go.
And then you just press it again to stop it.
Just wait.
It's about to come up.
You see my chunder?
Actually painful or just sick?
It's just
It's all the gas, isn't it, as well? Like,
It's just hard.
It's, yes.
I don't know.
It's
It's
down.
when you look in your beer and realise you've drunk none of it.
Nice one, Dean.
Alright, Dean. We don't be drinking, Dino. I've only got a little bit left, but I can't bring myself to do it.
Wait until you have another one.
That way.
Yeah, that's good.
Who's going to be next up? Sam and Giff. What lap is this? Lap 3.
Mike's on it.
Yeah. Last lap. Go on, Mike. Go on, Mike.
Not even close. Halfway. No. Oh, we're near. Struggling with this one so much. Oh, John. Goon. Oh no. So do a tractable shunder?
You thrown up, Jim?
Not yet.
Oh, it's gonna be so much. Oh yes. Go on, Sam. Go on, Sam. Go on, lads. Got him on lip. Sure. Good run, boys.
Sure you want to head it? Oh wait, yeah, that's my can. Fuck. You can't get this last one down there.
What, Mike?
Oh, it's done.
Hell yeah.
Whose fucking table
Oh,
is this?
11:59.
Not much.
Do it and go. Do it and go.
Mate, no, I can't.
Jim, do you force yourself to be sick and then you get room? Seriously, that's the best way of doing it. Oh, I was really badly sick on that.
11:59, mate.
Guys, be sick. And then it'll make so much room and it feels easy. Go on, Dean, you've got one more lap to go.
And a can. And another lap. No.
You finished it.
I think that was only a matter of time, wasn't it?
Absolutely amazing.
Go on, lads!
That's how Jim feeds his dog.
Go on, Jim! Go hard! Go hard!
Go on, lads, get it down. Come on, get it down. Go on, Jim. Go on, Jim, just go. No, come on, Dean, you got to do all the way. Go on, Sam. Put it in.
I've not got much left, but I can't get it down.
Not got much left. I haven't done any of this yet.
Mike, do you feel drunk at all?
Not at all, no.
In about half an hour's time, we're all going to feel fucked.
I don't know, seriously, I was sick really badly on the one before.
Yeah, no, I
Sam, you brought up loads, mate.
Yeah, I know, I
You'll
was
feel
up 3
alright.
times.
I feel
It's coming again though, I'll spat that out.
Jim.
Hi, Jim.
Go on, all the way down, Sam. Go on, Sam, get in. Get in. Hold it down, hold it down.
Well done, Jim.
Well done, Jim.
Jim.
Good, Jim.
14:13.
Let's go hard!
Go on, Sam. Go on, Tom, get it in.
Sam front. Oh yeah, you're right.
Go on, Tom.
Well, that was fun.
I can't believe you didn't
know there was a dog there.
I made it.
She ate loads of it as well.
Sam's got it hard. Sam's on a 55.
Honestly, throwing up is the best way.
I've thrown up once. I've thrown up all the movements.
That is a hard lap.
Good, Tom. No, just push it. Don't think about it, just do it.
I wanted to be say I'd done it without throwing up. That was the thing.
Come on, Sam. Come on, Sam.
He's going to be really sick, I bet, when he comes back.
Sam's last.
Yes.
Last bit, Sam. Keep it going.
Go on, Tom, get it in.
I'm going now. I've got space now.
Come on, now.
Last bit, Sam.
Go, Sam. All the way, all the way.
Get the testicle.
Come on. Go on, Sam, through the line. All the way, all the way. Do the my box,
15:27.
Tom, get it down. Let's go, go, go. How close are you, Tom? How
Oh my god.
You've got another fucking beer left.
They don't feel drunk.
No, you.
I don't feel very drunk.
It's a good laugh though, it's funny.
Yeah.
It's not funny. I'd happily do it again.
Yeah. Okay.
Not now, obviously.
I wanted to say I'd done it without throwing up, and then I literally started running. And that was it. It was coming up.
Sam, that was a great finish.
Yeah, I was always planning to go hard on my last lap.
I can't go hard for that. I'm currently twice as slow as what I'm going to be.
Great run. You had such a strong. You had one of your changeovers slowish. But apart from that, it was proper strong.
Third one was
Yeah.
slow. I just
I like how Gibbs analysing
just
it.
got to the point where
There's no skill involved. It's just get it down you.
like how
7
embarrassing
minutes.
Yeah.
You had 7 minutes to do your last gear and last lap.
Oh, these.
Oh, jump the dragon!
Jump the dragon.
I think Dean's eating quite a lot today.
It's got to,
But Doritos
I
came
haven't
up.
eaten at all.
I felt what Doritos come out.
I've hardly.
Yeah, I tried to eat like, I had crackers, that was it.
I've only had like Doritos.
Item sensation. That about.
Oh, that's, I saw that come out his nose.
Another one to go.
God, Dean, you got that beer left. Go on, Tom. Get it done. Go on, force it. Go on.
Dean, come on.
Why is my nose bleed? Like, not even that. It's like, you have a spot on my nose. It's like bleeding.
Chug.
Check it back.
Chuck it back.
Come on, Gifford. Show us what you're made of. You go uni, you should be winning this. Come on, Giff.
Oh, yeah. Fair enough. Oh!
Go on, Tom, just keep running.
See, everyone's vomiting like liquid. The Dean's is clearly food.
Mine's food. If you have a look at mine over there, mine's food.
I was just pure.
Yep.
Dean, you're.
She's got a video of Gifford going. Go on, Tom.
This is going on Facebook and YouTube.
Please zoom in on Dean's face quickly.
He's got nosebleed.
Right in the face.
Dean, turn round.
Dean,
God,
just to
Tom!
let you know, this is another thing that I can beat you at. Whatever Sunday looks like.
All the way through the line.
Away.
The T-bot. The T-bot.
Oh man.
Should I drink it for Dean?
No. He's got to drink. Let's try and get him to drink it. No, T-bot.
I'll in the teapot.
Shake up as much as you possibly can.